Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today we got Prado Design in the building, and this guy will not be left behind. He continues to get creative, bringing new flavor to the table as well. Now, I like this watch face. I'm giving him 2 thumbs up in the door for creativity and design because the guy really lit this one up. Very unique. I love unique watch face. Now, the name of this one is called Lunar Digital 2, and yes, you've heard of Lunar Digital. Totally different from Lunar Digital 2, which is nice, which is so far outside of the box for this guy. I'm loving what he's bringing to the table, all right? So, but let's take a look at it. Now, in the always on mode, I'm telling you, he lit it up. I like the color, and I like the look that it's gonna give you, especially at nighttime. Not bad, but when the watch face is on, of course, you're gonna get a digital time in the middle. You're gonna also get your step status, your weather icon. You're gonna also get your heart rate information, days of the week down at the bottom, along with the date. And if I tap right here, I can go in and get my step status, if I can get it to go, and also my heart rate information. And I could get my weather at the top, which is very, very important to me. So I like that he gave us that. And if I tap on the date, if I could tap on the right, I could bring up the calendar. So I thought he did a really good job with this one. But if you look at the moon phase, depending on what our moon phase is for that particular day, is what's gonna show up around the bezel. I like that look. And that's why he got 2 thumbs up for design and creativity, because this one here is definitely different from any other watch face that I've seen in the Gear Manager store. It really, really stands out, and I'm liking it. Now, this guy gives you 20, count them up, people, 20 different colors that you can customize to, right? Just double tap. Oh, nope, there you can get your alarm. Double tap right here, and you can go through the 20 colors that this watch face has to offer by Prado Design. I'm telling you, this guy outdid himself with this one as well. Him and DW are doing their thing with these watch faces, people. But just continue to tap till you get to the color, and they all seem to be pastel colors too as well, people. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Listen, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again after the Monday grind. Take care.